Welcome back, cruisers. I'm Chris, and today I'm joined by my son Austin, who has apparently jumped straight into the local culture, shaking his maracas at the street band. His rhythm's actually not half bad, if I do say so myself. We're currently docked at the lovely La Romana in Dominican Republic. For those of you new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Keep up with all of our thrilling cruise journeys. We are super excited about our tour today, which is the ultimate adventure with lunch excursion.
What do you think about the bus ride, bud?
It was pretty long.
Yeah?
Like an hour long.
About an hour long bus drive?
Yeah.
It's pretty nice though, it's comfy. Had Wi-Fi on the bus?
Yeah, the Wi-Fi is better than the ship's Wi-Fi.
Oh, no he didn't.
Well,
Alright.
True.
Got all our stuff put in the locker. 2 backpacks kind of squeezed in there. It was a little tight, but we did it. It was the bottom one, so we had to like scrunch down on the ground to get to it. It was kind of crummy, but other than that, pretty good. Now we are on the way to the zip line.
Our adventure today is organized by the renowned Bravo Adventure Park. You can book this experience through Carnival Cruise Line for $120 for adults and $89 for kids. First up on our agenda is ziplining. We get kitted up with harnesses and helmets, and after a thorough safety demonstration, we ascend the first set of stairs. Adrenaline courses through our veins as we prepare to fly through the trees. There are 4 zip lines in total, each one giving us a bird's eye view of the lush landscape below.
Go, Austin!
Sorry, comfortable zip lines are not.
What? You don't think it's comfortable?
It's like when you sit down, it's like straps are like squeezing to the back.
Yeah, it's not like the ones that have the seats. Totally normal. So let me just stick my foot in this step.
Don't do that. That's not a good idea.
That's not, don't worry about that step.
The final zip line is a real treat. It lands into a long, very cold, narrow pool.
How is he?
Good.
Excellent.
Cool. Yeah. Okay, well, we're going over there in French.
Okay, thank you. So where are we going after zipline?
After ziplining, we take a breather at the park's swimming pool, giving us time to soak in the fun we've had so far and look forward to what's next.
We're in the pool right outside of the waterfall here.
Never going to be able to hear any of this.
Yeah, probably not.
What do you think of the zip line?
It was really fast. It was pretty wicked.
Was it 4?
What?
4 zip?
I think it was 4 zip lines, and then the last one was into the water, and the water actually felt really nice after being in the heat, standing there.
How were the stairs on the towers?
Very rickety and broken. Some of the steps had like big parts of it broken off. Like one of them had like a quarter of it was broken off.
Yeah, none of the runs were like screwed down or anything. They were just laying piece of boards on them.
Yeah.
Other than that, it was fun.
Yeah.
This was zip line was a double zip line, so you had 2 attachment points.
Yeah.
And then the third point they used for safety to clip onto the tower, like when you got to both ends.
Yeah.
It was kind of cool because they did a manual brake. Like they had blocks that one guy pulled the rope out and would catch you depending on your size. I think it's figured how he pulled them out, you know, how far he pulled them out.
Yeah.
But it was pretty cool. It was quick though. It was over really fast. I mean, it's only 2:08 now, so what do you think?
I don't know, soon we'll go on to the dune buggies, I guess.
Yeah, well, yeah, definitely. All right, we'll catch you guys on the dune buggies. See ya. All right, time for the buggy ride.
All right.
We're transferring from the pool got to go to our lockers for a minute, and now we're going to the buggies.
All right.
Okay, wrapping up our, what was this even called?
Ultimate adventure tours.
Ultimate Adventure with Lunch, I think is what this was called.
Yeah.
Zipline?
Yeah, pretty good. I like the
Enjoyed it?
zipline.
What
I
about
like the dune buggy?
The dune buggy. What about the pool?
The pool was pretty cool, actually. And it was actually really like refreshing water, and it's super hot out, so it felt good.
And the zip line into water?
Yeah, the zip line into water was pretty cool. And I like the dune buggy, but
Dune buggy was good. The only downside on the dune buggy was no camera, so we got no footage for you guys. Apologize. You could put it on the helmet cam, but you had to bring your own clip. They had no clips on any of the helmets, and you had to bring a strap. And we had the chest strap, but we weren't allowed to go back and get it out of the lockers, so we didn't get to do any of that. But they got no footage for you.
yeah. So
As far as the dune buggies go, kind of driving down a limestone road, basically for what do you think? Half hour, 45 minutes,
probably.
something like that. Yeah.
That was pretty cool.
We did go down into a ravine.
Yeah, that was cool.
But there was no, on the tour guide thing, there was a spot where it looked like you were going through water, like on a beach or something.
Mm-hmm.
There was pictures of that. Didn't do anything like that. I don't think we're anywhere near the beach, really.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty close to the airport right now, actually.
Yeah.
All right, that's it.
All right.
I would say no go.
All right.
What would you say?
I'd say yes, go.
Yes, go? Okay, so we get split decision.
Yeah.
All right, talk to you guys later. See ya.
Bye.
Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and see where we're going next. Bye for now.